Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Korean Technology NFU and RF Technology HIFU machine. This is specially designed for beauty salons, clinics. The advantage of this machine: 1. Stronger energy. 2. Two handles can work at the same time. Save time for operation. 3. Comfortable. Now we will show the machine screen.
The left hand is selected.
This is FL cartridges. We need to adjust the parameters according to customer's skin situation and feelings. This is handle screen. We could adjust the parameter here. This is SD handle. We also need to adjust the parameters according to customer's skin situation and feelings. As you can see, two handles can work at the same time, so we can save time when we operation. Now we will introduce how to install the machine. These are the cartridges is equipped with machine. Now we will install it. This is FL handle. Install this cartridge. Put it on the hanging rack. Load this blue color. Correspond to this blue color jack. Insert it. Then install the SD cartridges. This one, watch out the slot. Install it. Put it on the hanging rack. Look this arrow, this gray color, correspond to this gray color jack. Insert it. Another side handle is safe. Finally, we install the metal hanging rack. Insert it through the hole. Installation is finished. Now let's draw the face of this operation first. Line the corners of your mouth one finger outward. Then connect it to this eye and drop it. Drop lines inwards about 2 fingers from the ear. Now let's draw the operation grid in this outline. For the face, we use 3 and 4.5 cartridges. Let's use 4.5 cartridges to demonstrate this first. Look at the point, the length. Underline the length of this cartridge. Drop vertically, then connect at. This is a vertical operation. The method of horizontal operation also draws lines according to cartridge's length. Then connect. When operating, after the energy is emitted, then move. Repeat this fixed point operation. To manipulate the forehead, we need to avoid the middle of the forehead between the two eyeballs make a cross. This place cannot operate. Draw a line from the eyeball. Do not operate inside the bit. You can work with a finger out of the scale. Drop a line. Connect it. This can be operated. Line the length of the cartridge just about 2 positions. Drop horizontal operation line and connect it. When operating, the client's eyeballs should be lifted. Bring it up for operation. Each position emits energy once and then moves upward. Repeat the action. Chin uses a tool cartridge. Drop this place on the chin. Connect to this face and this thread. Then drop according to the cartridge's length, about 2 positions. Lift up. Avoid the slope. Operate the net here. This slope should be avoided. This place to make a course. Do not operate too. Also drop lines along the length of the cartridge. Avoid this place behind here. Do not operate. Then underline vertically, draw a line and mark it. As the cartridge's operation, let's just go like this. The way to lift it up in circles, it should be close to the skin to operate and bring it up. We can use fixed point operation. It's usually done in circles and then lift it up. Mainly to improve this apple muscle. Bring it up, repeat the steps.